Insecurity matter go reduce for Edo State now, as Obaseki don launch the e-sticker verification number. Edo State Ministry of Transport Agency, wey dey in charge of the regulation and control of all commercial vehicles for Edo State, don launch the e-sticker verification application for commercial vehicles wey go help check insecurity and boost the economy. Deputy Governor for Edo State, Right Honourable Comrade Philip Shaibu, on Thursday for Benin City for the launch of the e-sticker, come tok say dis e-sticker verification na reliable platform wey go help the state monitor every commercial vehicles. E tok say the e-sticker QR code reader go help the code registration information for the commercial vehicles.
We have been doing a lot of reform. We dey change things. We don dey change plenty things to make sure say things work for all of us, and say our road dey very safe for our people. And we now for Edo State, nobody dey call us Agbero again. When they talk of Agbero, they no dey talk Agbero come Edo State again. All of us now na digital waiting drivers, digital waiting. Now only we that they use POX and all those phones. Now only we they use that now. Other states they come Edo State now come learn lesson. Abi wetin we dey do. So that's why I say make and thank una. And I know say change dey difficult well. To take change is difficult well. And for change to take place, it means say both government and the people they must agree. And you see say get some time we'll say more do like this. Una go say no be like that. We'll come sit down, we'll come agree, and we'll come move on. You know, say the other day we say make they paint buses. Una come say no, we make we paint too, but the time too close. Say we give short notice. What the government can't do? We say na true, the notice is short. We can't say make they carry and go December. Not be so that government and people supposed to believe, and so we go to cooperate like that. And the purpose be say make our state better and make our people too they jolly, they happy. Now today we want to launch something. That we want to launch now for your safety and the safety of the people where they inside the motor. Because you know say all these yama people they come full everywhere. But for Edo now don't they clean them come out. But don't forget say some of them go see the even when Jesus Christ they go, they preach gospel. He get people that they call disciples, people they follow and walk, disciples. One of them is he betray Abi. So in every group, Judah is inside. And so when those Judas enter our bus, we'll fit identify which bus and everything. And people now will get confident to they enter on a bus. They will get that confident. If you just see any of on a bus, you say, this one, no, I go enter am because this one, it get code where we say, even police, if any bad guy enter here, police fee track the person. So your safety and the safety of the passenger where you carry, now they protect so. So that means more people now no go they enter motor when no get this code. The implication be say, una go they get more passengers now. You understand? And that means una suppose come they buy more motor because very soon this motor go too small. Because people they enter all those side motor will no be members of will be no be transport team where they do the kabu, nobody go they enter them again. Because they know say if they want reach their destination, the only motor they go enter now the one way get that code. Show na see why that code better. Because our security, road safety, our own ESMA, police, everybody, when our motor don't become special motor be that. And another thing where you go help una do be say, nobody go to stop una anyhow. It just be like saying na express, nobody. Police now una friend. ESMA, una friend. Road safety, don't una friend. So now the beauty of the thing we want to do today be that. And I want to thank una because if we no agree for this country, it no go work.
Commissioner for Transportation, Engineer Osase Malai, talk say the e-sticker na 3,000 naira and this one dey renewable every year.
It's for a year, it's renewable over time because the essence is to make our people safe in Edo State. So the drivers need to come for profiling every year so that we'll know they are still the owners of the vehicles. If there's change of ownership, we'll know they are doing to profile the next person. For you to have this profiling done, you have to have your driver's license here. That's why you have the road safety corps here. You have to have ERS to have your licenses. To make our people safe, we need to own the drivers responsible. And to hold them responsible, they need to do the right thing. This is what is applicable all over Nigeria and all over the world. So it's of essence that they should come for profiling to make our people safe when riding.
Chairman for the National Union of Road Transport Workers NUR2W, Comrade Odion Olaye, and the chairman for Road Transport Employers Association RTN, Charles Momo, come talk say the matter sweet their belle wella and they don't embrace them, and this one go help eradicate insecurity for Edo.
The launching of the sticker is a welcome development, and members of National Union, we are prepared to partner with the state governments in the area of progress, and will continue to do so. We will embrace it. Yes, we have talked to our members. They are aware. We are waiting for the government to flag it up. As soon as they flag it up, we'll continue to do as directed by the government.
We are very happy. And even the members, all of us in return, we see the demonstration strike of His Excellency Governor Godwin Obaseki. And what we are seeing here, at least anybody that is here today will even see the strike of what is happening here. And even the new state of government, I will tell you that it's perfect excellently. And we just want to appreciate the kind of leadership we have now in the government, most especially His Excellency the Governor of Edo State and his Deputy Governor, Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu. We are so happy, and all our members, transport sectors, we are happy, and you see everything is moving smoothly. And by the grace of God, we've certainized our people, we've talked to them, we've lectured them. I believe all of them here are up to task because we already decide and design it that we have to obey what the state government have said. And I believe we've lectured them and will support what they have said. By the grace of God, we are with the government, and whatever or the plant they talk, we are very much up to them. So we thank and we salute the courage of the Edo State government and everybody, the general public too.
Philip Shaibu can launch the e-sticker verification on some commercial vehicles. Oluwatobi Odeshola, TMC TV News. Make you now remember, say your PVC na your power, no go sell your vote for any politician or political party.